remedy as well as every individual human being. We have a failed state and a successful state. So whenever you are looking at the remedy like this, if it's a single element remedy, you will get shades of failed state as well as successful state in the case. That itself is the polarity of that person in terms of good and bad. Because our special senses again will always be in terms of comparison. Today it is a little warmer in comparison to yesterday. I don't feel good today. Any complaint, Baba? No. Headache? No. Cold? No. But then who is that feeling not good? Is a vital force which is low today. I am low today. Some days you might say, I am very high today. Arey, aaj kuch karte hai. These are the two shades of the same person. Likewise, every remedy has got these two shades. And best appreciated when you are reading through Hearing Guidance Symptoms or Allen's Encyclopedia. Not about what we use day to day this thing, where there are 4 lines का एक mind है, इतना है, वैसा नहीं होता हो. But when you read absolute good proving का original source book, you will get both the shades of it. And that actually is a part and parcel. Why? Because every remedy has got, on that particular proving, that person has given you the other side of the picture. Another proving में they are giving you other side of the picture. For example, in animal case, not every predator will have a kill every day. There will be shade of where it doesn't get a kill, वो भी एक state रहेगी उसकी. उसको दिल और जहन में सब कुछ वो state रहेगा. Today I couldn't kill, I came back without a kill. वो भी तो एक state रहेगा, failed state. That will also come in the proving somewhere or the other. So that gives you the other shade. And when it kills, that gives you the other side of the state. जो छाती उखाड़ के सब खड़ा रहेगा वो. So this is the part and parcel of the failed state of the remedy. How they behave when it is not there, and how they really behave when it is there. Likewise, we also ask in the salt, cation mila, then if it is not there, what will happen in the anion part? Similarly, in elements for that matter, the successful aurum, argentum, plumbum, ferrum will show you the successful part which we are reading in our materia medica. But when you really read the source book, you will get the failed state of ferrum. You will get the failed state of aurum. You will get the failed state of argentum. So don't look at one shade of it. Her remedy covers animal, mineral or plant. Plant, very good example you can see is the sensitivity and reactivity. Are the two opposite sides. Animal में क्या है? The victorious side, and when you do not get that feed, that side of the story. Mineral में क्या है? The active side of it, when you get the support or whatever it is, and the failed state is when you do not have that support and what happens to you. Are you getting? So these two shades, try and understand. It's very, very important. Otherwise we might miss. ये तो नहीं है. Obstinate रहना चाहिए, fixity रहना चाहिए, image conscious रहना चाहिए. अरे, there will be time when the person has gone on the stage and shivered. Hands become cold. You get blanked out. What is that? That is the other side of the shade of the same remedy. Na? So this is what is the beauty. And these are good exercises for us to understand that every kingdom में ये देखना चाहिए. And if we do not see and we go live with one side of the picture, we might lose many of the remedies.